Hello, everyone. I'm Sri Banerjee, certified astrologer, and in this segment, I'm going to be going over the full moon that took place actually yesterday in the morning, around 1:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So on May 1st, which is also May Day, was when this took place. So let's go and get started. The first thing that I look at is the full moon. The sun is in Taurus and the moon is in Scorpio. So this creates a dynamic tension because Taurus is a very grounded, bull-headed. Obviously, the sign is bulls, so it makes for a bull-headed sun, stubborn, and with Scorpio, kind of a deeper sort of nature, uh, sort of symbolized by the scorpion. So these are two kind of oppositions, and always good to assess for the stubbornness and kind of the depth that Scorpio represents. So what else is going on? Leo, so Taurus, basically the Leo, the ascendant, is ruled by the sun. So these are connected in a certain way. So the first house is personality and what you are, and then second house is kind of partnership, not as strong as seventh house, but that is how it is. Third house is more communication. Fourth house is the home front. Fifth house is kind of like creativity and play. And then sixth to seventh house is partnerships. And then eighth is typically death and resurrection, rebirth. And then nine is education. 10 is career. 11 is having connections between groups and things like that. And then 12th house is the house of death and rebirth. So 8th house and 12th house, the natural ruler of each of these signs, of these houses, makes a difference in the meaning. So that's a little quick tour of Astrology 101 in the middle of this moon, the full moon cycle. So this is called the flower moon, by the way, and this is, I believe, the Native Americans, Algonquin, or one of the Native Americans, stated this to be true as the flower moon. So that's the name. And then in the eighth house, excuse me, in the 10th house, there's Uranus and Venus. And so this is kind of understanding beauty in a unique, different fashion than what is the trend-setting status quo in the before. So that's the career. And then you have Mars at the beginning of the ninth house. So if you're looking to do some education or whatnot, this is a good time to start uh, enrolling. So Mercury and Mars kind of propels that. So that's about it. The moon is near the fourth house, which is its house of origin. So sometimes if you have to kind of reassess your foundation, then this might be the time to do so. Foundation is in home, or when it comes to foundation of a planet or even a country, then this brings about some sort of understanding and the foundation of maybe creating peace treaties or understanding eye to eye between countries. So I've given you a quick overview what the signs are, what the moon is, full moon is indicating, and what the other planets are indicating. And in the middle, I gave a quick tour of all of the 12 houses that are connected to the different signs. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.